Hey guys, it's been a while since you've seen me qualify at a job I've never done before, but I am dressed for the part of being a supervisor here at AAA Car Care Center. Let's go! All right, so Kyle, I'm super thrilled today. Get a chance to try to qualify as a supervisor here. Just got a couple of quick questions. Will I get paper cuts, and which of the employees do I need to really keep an eye on?
I think there's a little confusion. Have you ever heard of being overdressed?
Oh, I can take the tie off. That's not a problem.
Well, we're actually going to see if you qualify to be a AAA technician.
Oh, that means I'm getting dirty today. I'm not dressed for this. Well, it didn't take long to get my first X.
We're gonna start with an oil change. All right, Quincy, now that the car's in the air, let's get our safety gear on.
You know what, this goes with my outfit. Patricia and Ashley would be so happy.
All right, Quincy, the first thing we need to do is we need to locate the oil pan.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the oil drain bucket over here.
Okay.
We found the drain plug.
Yep.
We got a wrench right here. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty.
There we go. Oh.
Oh, there it is. It's a good thing you wore those gloves.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's
right.
coming out quick. Grab that drain plug and put it back in.
This is a move I've seen a mechanic do, like they use the rag to
That's
do this.
right.
Definitely. Right there.
Nice and snug, yeah?
Nice
good.
and snug, all right.
All right.
Go and give me that check.
All right, Quincy, now we're here at the oil filter.
Okay.
This isn't your typical oil filter. It's a cartridge style filter. We're gonna check our dipstick, make sure we got the proper amount of oil in there.
All right, cool. Yeah, I've been around the block a couple of times, man.
It looks like it, it looks like it.
I don't think I have. This is not going down the way.
All right, let's see what we got.
What did I
here.
do, Kyle? God
Did
dog
we get
it.
it in there?
I thought
Just gotta be a little forceful sometimes.
There's another X.
This battery is in need of replacement, and I've got one that we're gonna swap it out.
Okay, got
Time to redeem yourself from that old
Time
dipstick.
to redeem myself from the dipstick.
I got a brand new AAA battery. Now, at all the AAA Car Care Centers, our members actually get $25 off of all batteries that we sell here, if you're a member.
That's easy, and that's easy.
All right, I think we're tight on there. There you go. We got negative, we got positive.
Positive.
All right, everything looks good and secure, and I think we're all set and ready to go.
Nice.
Redemption right there. Hey, Quincy, that shirt looks great on you. Is that your shirt?
Yes.
Quincy, is that your shirt?
No.
We're gonna need that back. All right, Quincy, last step right here to see if you qualify. You've said that you've changed a tire before.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go straight down with it.
I don't think I'm ready to work for NASCAR at all.
There we go, we're gonna hug it.
Oh, I see it.
We're close.
Oh, God. Ooh. All right.
All right, now we need to tighten it up.
Okay.
There's a very important step. We need to use a torque wrench.
Center cap.
Yep. And give it a little, there you go.
Oh,
I tell you what,
come
I'm
on.
pretty impressed.
Come on, let's do it together. Check. Well, Kyle, it looks like I put in my work today, man. So
Sure did.
give me your
Sure did.
assessment. Did I qualify?
There were some moments that you had me worried, but I will say, besides the dipstick problem, you definitely qualify.
Oh, thank you, man.
Quincy, welcome to the team.
That is so awesome. I certainly do appreciate it, man. You know, I am a member of the AAA Car Care team. Oh, now, obviously, I love being a TV personality, but if you guys want some real technicians, how can they apply?
So anybody can go to AAA.com, click on careers, and they can start their path tomorrow.
Now, I know I qualified, but make sure you trust the experts here at AAA Car Care Center, especially before you hit the road for that next summer vacation.